हेलो दोस्तों, आज हम पढ़ेंगे क्लास सेवन्थ की सप्लीमेंट्री रीडर का पार्ट थर्ड और मध्य प्रदेश का चैप्टर नंबर 5 ट्रेडिशनल फेयर्स एंड सेलिब्रेशंस। हम इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स देख लेते हैं। तो हम शुरू करते हैं हमारा फर्स्ट फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स। हमारा फर्स्ट फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स है सिंहस्थ महाकुंभ इज लार्जेस्ट मेला ऑफ द स्टेट। सेकेंड है अमरकंटक इज द ओरिजिन प्लेस ऑफ नर्मदा। थर्ड है Ashwin to 10 days Mela is organized in Singhaji village every year. Fourth है to acquaint the people with Indian folk arts and sculpture, Lokrang of festival folk आर्ट इज़ ऑर्गेनाइज्ड इन भोपाल। इसके बाद हम क्वेश्चन आंसर देख लेते हैं। हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है What is the importance of fair in human life? Fair are the center of social goodwill, mutual exchange, and cultural benefits. Fair are good examples of universal brotherhood. इसके बाद हम सेकंड क्वेश्चन देखेंगे। हमारा सेकंड क्वेश्चन है डिस्क्राइब एनी 5 फेयर्स ऑफ द स्टेट। आंसर फेयर ऑफ द स्टेट। First is Shingaji Fair. This is perhaps the only fair which is organized to honor a Lok Kavi. This fair is organized in the village Piplia, now known as Singhaji, in Khandwa district. It is held for 10 days, beginning for Ashwin Shukla Purnima. It is like a big heart. Shingaji was born in 16th century in a shepherd family. He was endowed with some divine power. His bhajans are sung in almost all the households of Nimadi regions. Singhaji is regarded as a savior of animal and a Lok Devta. A hog animal fair is organized in his memory. Second है सिंहस्थ महाकुंभ फेयर. The state's biggest fair is held in Ujjain after 12 years. According to a legend, once good Devas and demons Denavas decide to churn the ocean. After the churning, there emerged a pot kumbh full of nectar. Amrit goats and demons fought for 12 days to gain the pot of nectar. These 12 days were equal to 12 years of the mankind. While goods and demons were struggling to gain the profession of the pot, some drops of nectar fell at 4 places on the earth. These places are Prayag, Haridwar, Ujjain, and Nashik. From that time onward, Mahakumbh fair are held at these 4 places, a dip in the river, and these places as the auspicious time in considered God. With the sun entire Mesh Rashi and the moon entire Tula Rashi enters Tula Rashi of the Venus, the movement is considered auspicious in the Mahakal region of Ujjain. At that time, having a dip in a Shipra is considered auspicious. Third है Kundeshwar Fair. This fair is held at Kundeshwar, about 5 kilometers away from Tikamgarh. There is a huge temple of Lord Shiva here. Fair are held here 3 times every year on the occasions of Mahashivratri, Makar Sankranti, and Vasant Panchami. Fourth है Mehar Mata Fair. Mehar is in Satna district in Vindhya region. There is a temple of Ma Sharda on a steep hill. A fair is held here every year. Mantle it is a maternal home of Ma Sharda, therefore it is named as Mayor. The renowned brave warrior Ala and Udal of Bundelkhand were the devotee of Ma Sharda. Lots of devotees visit the place during both of Navratris, especially on 7th, 8th and 9th days. फिफ्थ है ग्वालियर ट्रेड फेयर. ग्वालियर ट्रेड फेयर इज द बेस्ट ट्रेड फेयर इन मध्य प्रदेश. दिस इज फेयर is more than 100 year old. It is already celebrated in centenary. The fair administration has put up a pillar to commemorate this occasion. This fair has its origin as an animal fair. Madhavrao Scindia, the ruler of the Gwalior state, first organized an animal fair in 905 on the bank of the Sagar Lake with an objective to provide animals to better breed to the feminine his farmers. Now he has grown into the biggest street fair in the state. Question number 3. Where is Tejaji festival held? Tejaji festival is held in Bhamavad village in Guna districts of Bundelkhand region. Fourth है, where are fairs held on occasion of the Mahashivratri and Vasant Panchami. Shivratri fair of Bhojpur on the banks of river Betwa at Bhojpur in Raisen district. Second है Shivratri fair on Udaipur. In Udaipur village in Basoda, Tehsil of Vidisha district. फिर है मतंगेश्वर मतंगेश्वर महादेव फेयर इन ऑफ इन खजुराहो. कुंदेश्वर फेयर इन कुंदेश्वर विलेज ऑफ डिस्ट्रिक्ट टीकमगढ़. फिफ्थ है अमरकंटक फेयर इन अमरकंटक विलेज ऑफ शहडोल डिस्ट्रिक्ट. बी है वसंत पंचमी फेयर. फर्स्ट है राहस फेयर इन गधाकोटा village of Sagar. Jyotishwar fair in Narsingpur. Kundeshwar fair in Kundeshwar. Question number 5. Where is Sihasta Mahakumbh organized in the state? Sihasta Mahakumbh is organized in Ujjain of Madhya Pradesh. Question number 6. What is Omkareshwar fair well known for? Answer. This fair is celebrated on Kartik Purnima. It takes place for 10 days. During this time, Panchkoti Yatra is organized which starts on Ekadashi of Shukla Paksha starting from Gomukh Ghat and ends with Darshan in Omkareshwar temple. Fair is organized. There is a tradition of fireworks of the full moonlight. Question number 7. Where is the trade fair organized? Trade fair are organized in Gwalior and Bhopal. Question number 8. Why is Tansen Music Festival organized? Tansen Music Festival is organized in the memory of greatest musician of India, Tansen. It is organized in Gwalior. Renowned musician of the country, both local and instrumental of different Gharanas presents their art to the people. Upcoming artists are also given chance to present their music in the festival. Question number 9. What programs are organized in Kalidas festival? Answer. In this festival, plays in Sanskrit are suggested and culture programs are organized during the festival. Question number 10. Where and when is Khajuraho Dance Festival organized? Khajuraho Dance Festival is organized in the spring every year from 25th February to 3rd March in the temple complex of खजुराहो. तो यहाँ पर हमारी एक्सरसाइज फिनिश होती है. इसके बाद हम चैप्टर नंबर 6 पढ़ेंगे. थैंक यू सो मच.